In this lecture, we're going to be talking about DPV history and the different types. DPV stands for Diver Propulsion Vehicle and is basically a battery-operated propeller that drags the diver around. The main purpose is to get there faster, with less effort and reducing bottom time. Using multiple DPVs, you can have longer range than just swimming. Traditionally, there is two main types of DPV, the ones that you are tow behind and the ones that you ride on. Tow behind scooter is the most popular around because it's smaller and lighter. However, the ride-on are faster, but the ride-on requires deeper water for the diver and the scooter to fit in. Even though the ride-on scooters were the first ones available for dive exploration, they quickly developed in different applications, mostly as yacht toys or tourist attractions like small bob submarines, and the latest is the ride-on version of the ride-on scooters, where you basically just hang on, and they are very popular in traditional recreational open circuit diving. The Tecna was the real first tow-behind scooter to be used in cave exploration. However, because of its burn time and its buoyancy characteristics, was very limited use. Oceanic bought the design from Tecna and made the scooter neutral by making it larger and therefore available for a wider range of people, and increased the depth limitation to 55 meters or 180 feet. However, the burn time was still limited to 55 minutes. Bill Gavin designed a stronger container for the guts of the Tecna scooter, basically the same engine and the same battery, but it was being able to be used to depths of deeper than 300 feet, 90 meters. And the Bill Gavin design scooter was still using the shroud from the Tecna design, as 90% of the scooters do. The Bill Gavin design allowed for a mid-tube or battery container replacement for different sizes to increase the burn-on time, which opened the window to long-range cave diving. The modularity offered by the Bill Gavin design is still being copied by many scooters like Silent Submersion and Suex. In fact, most modern scooters are being using the Bill Gavin design on the container for the Tecna scooter. As the battery technology developed, the scooter was no longer needed to be so large. In fact, many of the dive explorers were using it in only 45-50 minute wreck dives, and having a 60-kilo scooter was not practical. So the reducing size of the scooter was starting with the X scooter, and from there developed to Suex, Bonex, and the other kind.